Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you strawberry tip nail arts step by step guide. A fun twist on a French manicure. This design is cute enough for any season. Strawberry nails always applying a good look to any nail artist or any nail lovers. Let's move to step number 1, how to create strawberry nail step by step guide at home. Follow this step and you will create the strawberry nail tip easily at home. Number 1 step is start by painting your nails with a clear nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and red nail polish, create a somewhat curved V shape at the tips of your nails. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail brush and nail polish, fill in the tips with red. Step number 4, using a dotting tool and a yellow nail polish, place small dots in the red area to make strawberry seeds. Step number 5, with a nail art brush and green nail polish, create a few strokes above the strawberry to make the stem and leaves. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful strawberry nail tip design is ready. If you like my tutorial and videos, please like and do subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends as well. If you have any query about the design, please comment me below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care.